Did you know that poor sleep can increase your risk of heart disease by 45%? Or that just one bad night of sleep can make you more likely to get sick? Shocking, right? Yet, millions of people struggle with sleep every night, not realizing how much it affects their health and daily life. In this guide, we'll show you how to fix your sleep schedule and transform your energy, focus, and overall health. We'll dive into simple, proven strategies that you can start using right away. Whether you're dealing with sleepless nights, tossing and turning, or just need more energy during the day, this step-by-step guide has you covered. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to take control of your sleep. So, if you're tired of feeling tired, let's get started on your journey to better sleep and a healthier life. Chapter 1: The Hidden Power of Your Sleep Cycle, Unlocking the Secrets of the Body Clock. Your body has a natural rhythm, a clock built into every cell that helps you feel awake during the day and sleep at night. This is your circadian rhythm, and when it's in sync, you feel more energized and alert. Research shows that disrupting your circadian rhythm can lead to chronic health problems, like high blood pressure and diabetes. Getting your sleep cycle on track can be a game changer for your health and longevity. To fix your sleep schedule, first, it's important to understand how your circadian rhythm works. This internal clock runs on a 24-hour cycle and is influenced by light and darkness. When the sun sets, your body naturally produces melatonin, a hormone that helps you feel sleepy. But if you're exposed to artificial light late at night, your body gets confused. Studies show that even just an hour of screen time before bed can reduce melatonin levels by 23%. One simple way to fix this is to expose yourself to natural light early in the morning. Sunlight helps reset your internal clock, signaling your brain that it's time to wake up. Aim for at least 20 minutes of sunlight within an hour of waking up. This small habit can make a huge difference in how quickly you fall asleep at night. A study by the University of Colorado found that people who got more morning sunlight had better sleep and felt less tired during the day. As part of this strategy, try to keep your sleep and wake times consistent. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps strengthen your circadian rhythm. Over time, you'll find it easier to fall asleep and wake up without an alarm. Chapter 2: The Sleep Debt Dilemma, How to Break Free from the Cycle. How many times have you stayed up late working or scrolling through your phone, only to feel groggy the next day? That feeling is called sleep debt, and it's something we all accumulate when we don't get enough sleep. Just like financial debt, sleep debt adds up, making you feel worse over time. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, nearly 1 in 3 adults are sleep deprived. This can lead to poor focus, bad decision-making, and even heart disease. But here's the good news: you can pay off sleep debt, and it doesn't require perfect sleep every night. If you're behind on sleep, start by taking short naps during the day. Studies have shown that a 20 to 30-minute nap can boost alertness without affecting your ability to sleep at night. Just make sure to avoid long naps, as they can mess with your nighttime sleep schedule. The trick is to focus on getting consistent, quality sleep over the next few weeks. Gradually, your sleep debt will shrink. One simple step is to avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that caffeine taken 6 hours before bedtime reduced sleep by over 1 hour. So, if you want to sleep better, try cutting out your afternoon coffee. Also, keep your bedroom cool and dark. The ideal sleep environment is one where your body feels relaxed and at ease. Set your bedroom temperature to around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, for the best sleep quality. According to the National Sleep Foundation, a cool room helps lower your body's core temperature, signaling that it's time to sleep. Chapter 3: The Technology Trap, How Screen Time Sabotages Your Sleep, and How to Beat It. We've all been there, staring at our phones, unable to stop scrolling, even though we know it's time for bed. What you might not realize is that this habit is a major cause of poor sleep. Blue light from your devices messes with your melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. A study by Harvard Medical School found that blue light exposure for just 2 hours before bed can delay sleep by up to 3 hours. To fix this, start by creating a no screens rule an hour before bed. This includes smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Instead of using your phone, try reading a book, listening to calming music, or practicing relaxation techniques. The goal is to give your brain time to wind down naturally, without the interference of screens. If you really can't put your phone down, consider using blue light blocking glasses or screen filters. Some phones even have a night mode setting that reduces blue light exposure. Another option is to use apps like f.lux, which adjust your screen's color temperature according to the time of day. By using these tools, you can help your body transition into sleep mode without fighting against artificial light. Lastly, try to set a consistent tech curfew. For example, aim to stop using screens by 9 p.m. This might sound hard, but it's one of the most effective ways to improve your sleep quality. The idea is simple: the less you expose yourself to artificial light at night, the easier it will be to fall asleep when you need to. And over time, your body will adjust to this healthier routine. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more sleep tips and health hacks. Chapter 4: From Insomnia to Dreamland, Fixing Your Sleep with Proven Habits. Struggling to fall asleep every night? You're not alone. According to the National Sleep Foundation, around 30% of adults experience insomnia at some point. If you're tired of tossing and turning, it's time to introduce some proven habits into your routine that can help you sleep better. Start by establishing a relaxing pre-sleep routine. The hour before bed is crucial for preparing your body to sleep. One of the most effective ways to wind down is through deep breathing or meditation. Research shows that practicing relaxation techniques can reduce anxiety and help you fall asleep faster. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that people who used mindfulness meditation before bed slept 30 minutes longer than those who didn't. Another powerful habit is to limit your screen time before bed. As we discussed in Chapter 3, blue light messes with melatonin production. By avoiding screens an hour before bed, your brain has time to relax. You can also try journaling or reading a book to calm your mind. The temperature of your room also plays a big role in sleep quality. The ideal sleep temperature is between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Studies show that a cooler room helps your body cool down, signaling that it's time to sleep. If you're too warm or too cold, you'll likely wake up in the middle of the night. A small habit, like drinking herbal tea, can also help. Chamomile and valerian root are known for their calming properties. They're natural remedies that can improve sleep without the side effects of medication. Consistency is key when fixing your sleep. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. A study by the University of California found that people who kept regular sleep schedules had more restorative sleep than those with irregular patterns. Over time, your body will adapt, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Chapter 5: The Power of Morning Sunlight, Harnessing Nature for Better Sleep. Tonight you've probably heard that sunlight is good for your health, but did you know that it's one of the most powerful tools for fixing your sleep schedule? Studies show that exposure to morning sunlight helps reset your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep at night. When you wake up, try to get outside and soak in the morning sun for at least 20 minutes. This simple habit helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Research from the University of California found that people who received natural light in the morning had better sleep quality and fell asleep faster at night. Sunlight is especially powerful if you're dealing with jet lag or a disrupted sleep schedule. For example, if you've just returned from a trip across time zones, getting morning sunlight helps you adjust faster. According to a study published in Sleep Medicine Reviews, exposure to natural light helps shift your circadian rhythm and reduces jet lag symptoms. Even if it's cloudy or overcast, don't skip your morning sunlight. The light still works to reset your body clock. In fact, studies show that natural light exposure is more effective than artificial light in setting your internal rhythm. If you can't get outside right away, try to bring natural light into your home. Open the curtains or sit near a window. The more sunlight you can expose yourself to, the better your sleep will be. Additionally, avoid bright lights during the evening. As the sun sets, start dimming the lights around you. This sends a signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Over time, your body will adjust to this natural rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep when it's time for bed. Chapter 6: The 3-Step Nighttime Ritual. Transform your sleep in just 21 days. If you want to fix your sleep schedule quickly, the best approach is to create a consistent nighttime ritual. Studies show that it takes about 21 days to form a new habit, and with the right routine, you can transform your sleep in just 3 weeks. The first step in your new ritual is to create a calming environment. Your bedroom should be a peaceful place designed for sleep. Keep it dark, quiet, and cool. Studies have shown that a dark room helps increase melatonin levels, which helps you fall asleep faster. If you need help with darkness, consider using blackout curtains. Next, engage in a relaxing pre-sleep activity. You could try light stretching, yoga, or reading a book. A study in the Journal of Sleep Research found that people who practice gentle yoga before bed had better sleep quality. Avoid intense workouts, as they can increase your adrenaline and make it harder to fall asleep. The third step is to set a consistent bedtime. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Research from the University of Pittsburgh found that people with regular sleep schedules had better sleep quality and fewer sleep disturbances. Set a bedtime that gives you at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. By following this 3-step ritual, your body will learn to associate certain activities with sleep, making it easier to fall asleep each night. And remember, consistency is the key. It may take a few days for your body to adjust, but stick with it, and you'll see results. Hit subscribe for more tips on improving your health and sleep routine. In conclusion, fixing your sleep schedule doesn't have to be complicated. By making small changes like getting more sunlight, creating a relaxing nighttime routine, and staying consistent, you can improve your sleep quality and feel more energized during the day. And as you continue to practice these strategies, you'll be setting yourself up for a long and healthy life.